Good morning. It's really early in the morning, and I want to finish this build I've got with my dial indicator. No, sorry, with my GoPro holder. I've been looking this morning, 45 minutes already, for my safety glasses. I looked for them yesterday. And when I seen Sherry, I forgot about it again. I'm not trying to not wear glasses. I really don't mind wearing them, but man, I am frustrated that I cannot find them. Well, I keep my eyes closed, so it's not that big a deal. It's just frustrating. Now, how much time do you spend? That's 45. I got 3 pairs kicking around. You see, if it's just one, that's 3 pairs. What a nightmare. Okay. Click speed up a little bit higher. See, there's a shaft on this, I'm trying to copy it, so still fighting that cold. So there, that fits. I don't think it fits yet. Nope. Stick it up there. Just get this machine singing this morning. Oh, that's me. Get a little more juice on that. Let's check this out. So you can probably recognize this magnetic holder, the arm, and then I'm putting Velcro up here to hold my GoPro camera. So this is my new little base. So I can put my GoPro camera in really difficult spots. Great for the mechanics or machinists, stuff like that. that want to show something really detailed. I'll give you a better look at it after. Trying to find you. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, there's another video I'm gonna make soon and put up, and it's gasket making. I have an awesome way that I make gaskets, and when people see them, they say, "Oh, where did I buy them?" Check it out. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, this is a continuation of my GoPro magnetic base. Those are the Velcro, and this is the extend the battery life of my GoPro. So my battery is here, and this probably gives me about 4 hours of battery time now, which is about the limit of my chip at the quality of a video I'm doing right now. So this is the mount that I said I was going to build. So see how my GoPro can sit up here and my cord can reach everywhere I want to go. So mechanics or handyman, whoever you are, you can use it like this. You can move your base right down like this. I'm using a paint can because, well, maybe you're not working outside. Maybe you're working inside. So you can move your GoPro all over the place. So if you got a paint can in your house, then you have a support for your GoPro. Oops. I have a bolt to screw to tighten up, but I'm blind and having a little issue here, sorry. The paint can is probably not the best. No, it's not wanting to stick. So something a little stronger in steel, but this does work. So if you had something that's heavy, maybe a cast iron frying pan, something like that. But if you had something around, maybe a steel pole in your basement, you could stick it to, and you could have your GoPro camera shooting underneath the door. You know, maybe you need to have it shooting down somewhere like that. You've got lots of battery power right now, and you've got a really good mount for your GoPro. So after you get it in place, you just tighten these little wing nuts. And I'm going to be looking at selling these on my YouTube site. The little addition piece and all the stuff you need to do to make this, or you can go to your local place and buy the stuff yourself. But if you can't find it, if I get enough requests, I'm going to be putting it on my YouTube site. Well, I'll make myself an email site where I learn how to do all this. And when I get about 500 people asking, somewhere around there, I don't know, when I get enough, I figured that it's feasible for me to do, so I can make it cost effective for you. I will order the magnetic bases, and I'll get these pieces made, or make them myself, and I will sell them to you, so you can have neat accessories for your GoPro. Same with my magnetic spray for saving spray lubricants. Saving money with spray lubricants. The attachment there. So I'm going to be posting this stuff on my YouTube site, and if you would like these accessories, the magnetic base, and whatever it takes to build this, well, what I'll do is I'm going to set up a site, specifically magnetic base build, and then it'll be the spray can magnetic build, but the magnetic build, that'll be already assembled.
I think, or well, it's not going to be hard for you to put a screw in. So, and all the holes will be drilled. But, so I'll make all the things you need to complete these little jobs for yourself available. Just let me know if that's what you want, and we'll make it happen. Thank you.